full screen. Yeah, so the PowerPoint slides. After this class, I will post this PowerPoint slides file. But that is for the first class. Starting from the second class, I will post my slides before the class. So you can, in two formats, PPT and PDF. Yeah. Because some students, last semester, one student opened my PPT file directly, because in the Canvas there is a link, right? If you click PPT link directly, you see, you do not use Microsoft to display the PPT file. You use Canvas web viewer, something like that, web tool to open the PPT. Then a lot of things go wrong, because it's Canvas tool, it's not Microsoft. So in that way, I also post a PDF file. So you use Canvas open PDF file, then no problem. So two formats. But if you use Windows, then you open PPT. Microsoft Office, then you open PPT, no problem. But you just double click in Canvas, then you see a lot of things wrong. Just let you know, that's last semester. Here, let me minimize. Right.
I don't think your screen's being shared.
Sorry?
I don't think your screen's being shared.
Yeah, oh yeah, screen shared. Yeah, screen shared. Okay, yeah. All right. All right. Yeah. Okay, so everything, one more thing. Yeah. I need to get my remote control ready. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, everything is ready here. Yeah, so we can start. Yeah. So today, mainly I explain the syllabus. After that, I feel we may not have a lot of time. Yeah. So although I have another topic after syllabus, let me look at the time. So we already lost some minutes. Yeah. All right, so we have, right, less than 1 hour. Yeah. All right, so let's start. Let me play this. All right. Change my pen color also. Okay, all right. Module 1, Introduction to Algorithms. In this class, we will have 5 modules. Module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So the first one here. In each module, we have several parts. Yeah. Module 1, we have part A, B, C, D. Yeah. So 4 classes in module 1. Yeah. Part A, explain the syllabus and understand problem solving. Yeah. At the beginning, I want to give you the basic procedure about the problem solving, because this class is mainly a problem solving class. We want to learn how to solve real world computing problems. Okay? The typical computer science basic problems. So I will talk about a lot of thinking, strategies, methods, techniques in problem solving. So in part A, the second topic, so I show you the basic procedure of problem solving. All right, so let me explain the syllabus. It's a lot of details. You can ask me questions anytime. You can ask me questions. All right. First, the calendar. Okay? So this semester, the calendar, I show you the important dates. So let me explain several places you need to pay attention. Right. Then, after today, already 20th, the next one, Labor Day, holiday, Monday, no class, we won't lose any class. So we have Tuesday's class. So that's fine with us. So no problem for us. But later, we will lose one day. We will lose 1 day later. All right. So then, the next one, look at October 16th, Wednesday. That's the starting point of fall break. So that means after this time, 11:30 p.m., it's the fall break. That means the next day, Thursday, October 17th, our class canceled. We won't have class. Okay? It's a fall break. Okay? There are a few days fall break. So that means, no class on, but including the weekend, okay? Not for weekdays, including the weekend. October 17th, okay? No class that day. All classes, not just this class. No class. All right, so then you get back October 21st, Monday at 8 a.m. So then we'll start the next week. Next week, okay? Because we will have midterm before this fall break, okay? So next, when I talk about exams, tests, exams, we will have our midterm 1 week before the fall break. Okay? So we will get there. All right. Then Thanksgiving break. Okay? The whole week. November, last week of November, whole week Thanksgiving break. After that, we only have 1 week in December before the final. 1 week, a whole week. Basically, we will do review. So in that week, we will do review, do preparation for the final, okay, after the Thanksgiving break. All right, so then, the final, the schedule of the final, so here I show you, so I'm from the university, standard schedule file. I cut our part, okay? So we meet 12:30 Tuesday, Thursday, that's this time, okay? Then, the final, scheduled final time, Thursday, December 12th, from 10 to 12, 2 hours, okay? Make your plan, okay? So make your plan. Try to make yourselves available at that time. If because for some students, I had some students before, so they need to travel, some work, travel, so just let me know. So don't worry, so I will try to find a way, okay? So if you do not have any special reason, you just come to the class, sit here, and do the final in 2 hours. If you need to travel, whatever reason, then I will find a different time to do the makeup test. Okay, makeup test. All right. So that's the schedule part, calendar part. No question, right? All right. Then office hours, because each week we need to each instructor, we need to provide 3 hours for office hours. Yeah. So here, I use 2 days, the same of our class day, okay? Tuesday and Thursday. Yeah. Each day, I make myself available 1.5 hours, starting 5 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. At that time, I open my Zoom meeting. Yeah. So I turn on my Zoom meeting. I use this fixed Zoom ID. If you want to talk to me, you just connect to my Zoom meeting. Okay? Yeah. So I just put there. Yeah. Yeah. I do my stuff. Okay? Yeah. So I do my work. Yeah. So I just leave there. Yeah. If you connect to me, so then I talk to you. Okay? But some students, if you really like to see me in person, at this time, I'm in my office. Okay? So here, I give you my office room number, ESH 309. Yeah. So if you want to talk to me in person, you just go to my office. Okay? Yeah. At the same time. Yeah. Because for some students, this time may not be convenient for you. You just let me know, because yeah, you can see after. Yeah, because this time is after our meeting, right? After our regular meetings. Our regular meeting is at 12:30 p.m. After our regular meetings, then I go to my office. I stay in my office the whole afternoon, okay? Yeah. So if you want to talk to me in other places, but you need to let me know, so what time you want to talk to me, then I open my Zoom meeting, okay? If you do not tell me, I do not open the meeting, right? If you do not tell me you want to talk to me, yeah, then I open my Zoom meeting at 5 o'clock, okay? But if you want to talk to me at 3 o'clock, you need to let me know, okay? You want to talk to me at 3. So then I open my Zoom meeting at 3. Yeah. Yeah, things like that, okay? Yeah. All right, so that's the office hour. Yeah. Email, yeah. So, yeah, some students, you want to send me by email, yeah. So this is my UMSL email address, yeah. But I recommend you use the Canvas inbox to send to me. That's better than this way. Yeah. Let me explain the reason. Use the Canvas inbox to send me messages. Yeah. Better than this way for 2 reasons. Yeah. The first reason, when you use Canvas inbox way, I know which class you are in, right? Yeah, because inbox, yeah, on the title somewhere, show your class. Yeah. This semester, I'm teaching 3 classes, okay? So if you send me to my UMSL email, I do not know your class, okay? Yeah. Sometimes if you ask me generic question, I do not know which class you're from, right? For example, you ask me, do we have any assignment this week, right? So I don't know which of the 3 classes you are in, right? So I need to go to Canvas and go to people section and try to find your name. Then I can answer your question. I can tell you so if we have an assignment or not. Okay? Things like that. But if you use the Canvas inbox, I know your class. So I can answer your question immediately. Okay? So that's one reason. The second reason, you send through UMSL email, so your messages buried with all my email messages, right? Yeah. But Canvas inbox, much better. Only the messages from my 3 classes there. Okay? So I can see your messages easier. If you're buried in dozens of messages, so when I find your messages, yeah, a little harder. Yeah. Although it's not a problem, yeah. But the inbox way more convenient. Okay? Yeah. So that's about the email communication. All right. Prerequisite. So these 3 courses listed as the prerequisite. The reason it's important is in this class, all the concepts, all the theory, I use the knowledge from these 3 classes to explain. Okay? I had some students told me they couldn't understand my explanation. No matter how much detail I provide, it's hard to understand, explain. The reason, if you are not familiar with the basic knowledge in the prerequisite, then it's hard. Okay? So the 2250 data structure, I need to use some data structure concepts. And this one, statistics, actually, we do not use a lot of statistics knowledge. But for this class, there is a prerequisite for this class. That's a lot of calculus. So actually, we use Calc 1 knowledge. That's the prerequisite of this statistics. But for the statistical part, I use some basic probability concepts. I need to use some probability concepts. But very little the statistics knowledge. All right. Then the last one, this is discrete math. I use a lot of discrete math. Okay? I used a lot of concepts, methods, knowledge from the discrete math. Okay? So that's the prerequisite. So make sure, some students take discrete math concurrently with this course that I gave them permission. I remember I gave permission to 2 students. So they are taking the same semester. So it's fine. So if we are learning, then it's fine. All right. Then attendance. Here, let me explain my attendance policy. Here you can see 2%. So at the end, when I calculate the overall average, attendance takes 2%. So that's quite important. But regarding the attendance, I try to make it easier for you. So my goal, every student, you should study all the lectures. Okay? You should not miss any lecture. So that's the bottom line, any student. But I provide you a convenient way to access all the lectures. All right. So the first one, in classroom. This attendance, straightforward attendance. That's easy. I check your names, then you're done. Okay? So the first one is the classroom attendance. Second, I also treat the same as the classroom attendance. That's the Zoom attendance. If some students, although not in the classroom, but if connect through the Zoom meeting, then I also check your name. Because when I call your names, then you're at the Zoom side, so you can respond to me. I also check your name. Okay? So that's the Zoom attendance. Also legal. Okay? All right. Then the third attendance. Other than that, I also give third attendance. Because some students, they have some very special reason they cannot participate through classroom and Zoom, even Zoom. At that time, they have some very special reason they cannot. Okay? Then I provide a third attendance, video attendance. Okay? So that's the video attendance. What's that, video attendance? I record a video, right? So then I post the video after the class. I need to do some processing, then I post it. Then I post on my YouTube channel. Okay? I have my YouTube channel. I post. Yeah. Then I embed my YouTube video in the HTML file. Then I post my HTML file in Canvas. Okay? So you can click my HTML file. You can watch the video. Okay? All right. So if you do not get classroom attendance, Zoom attendance, then you have another chance. You just watch the video. After you watch the video, then you can tell me you do it, yeah, you complete it. Yeah. So in what way? Yeah. I will create a discussion board. Yeah. In Canvas, we have discussion board, right? So I make a discussion board page, link, yeah. I put the link, discussion board link, below class title. Okay. Today's class. Yeah. I put a discussion board under the title of today's class. Okay? So if some students to the discussion board, just let me know in two ways. You can use two ways to let me know you watched the video. The first way, ask one question. Yeah. Any question in the video. Yeah. So if you do not understand, you just ask me one question. Then I answer your question. Then at the same time, I check your video attendance. Okay? The second, if you do not have question, yeah, most of the time the students, they do not have question. You just let me know you watched the video. That's it. Okay? Yeah. Post a message, you watch the video, then I check your video attendance. Okay? Yeah. So in that way, yeah, you should have no reason to miss any class, right? Yeah. With these three different ways, yeah, you should not have any. Not necessarily same day, right? Yeah, not necessarily same day. Okay. Anytime you watch the video, just post message there, then I check. Yeah. 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 Different day, it's fine. Yeah. 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 If some student is sick a few days, you do not have to watch when you're sick, right? Yeah. So after you get better, then you watch the video. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Just to make sure, never miss any video, okay? Never miss any class. The reason is simple. All my questions, all my quiz questions, all my homework questions, all my test questions, all from the notes, the lectures, all from the lectures, okay? If you miss some part, you may miss several questions. That's a lot, okay? That's a big loss.
Even the test, like the exams and stuff. Even the exams.
Yeah, even in exams, what's your company?
You just said like you cover all the quizzes and stuff, right?
Yeah, all questions, all from the class. Okay, yeah. So yeah, everything is covered. But not in a straightforward way. Yeah, some students, they complain. So you said everything from the class, they expect to find the answer directly from the notes. That's not that way, right? Yeah, they try to find the answer in the notes. No, because we need to do a lot of logic thinking, right? We do problem solving. And we do, very complicated logic reasoning to get the answer, right? Do not expect to find the straightforward answers. Yeah. We have a few straightforward questions, yeah, but not many. Okay, 2 or 3. Okay, yeah, only 2 or 3 such questions. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so that's the attendance. Yeah. Then homework assignments. Here, I only give you 2 big homework assignments. So these 2 assignments, 2 big ones. Okay. How big? Yeah. How big? Yeah. Each one, 25 questions. Then question types. Yeah. 4 different types of questions. 4. Okay. The first type, multiple choice. Second type, true or false. The third type, short answers. The last type, full solutions. Full solutions.
Is it like 2 homework assignments, like the whole course, or 2 homework assignments per chapter?
True or false? One type.
No, the 2 homework assignments for the whole course.
Yeah. Well, the assignment, I have other assignments. So here, just name out of homework assignments, 2 targeting for 2 exams. Okay? Homework 1, yeah. So, we have other types. Homework 1 for prepare you for the midterm. Homework 2, prepare you for the final. Okay? Only 2 big assignments. Okay? All right. But, yeah, if the whole semester just 2, yeah. Then, quizzes. I have 6 quizzes. Quizzes also assignments, right? Yeah. Quizzes. Yeah. Quizzes, I use the Canvas tool to run the quizzes. Okay? So you have 6 quizzes. 6 quiz type assignments. Okay? 6 quiz type assignments. Yeah. All right. Then, yeah, sometimes, yeah, some students told me so they didn't do well in some, 1 or 2 quizzes, then I allow you to drop 2 lowest quiz scores. I only take the top 4. Okay? When I calculate your overall average, I select top 4 scores, your top 4 quiz scores, each one 4%. Yeah. So add them up, you get 16% of this class. Quizzes. Yeah. Homework assignment, each one 12%, 2, 24%. So now combine these 2 types, 40% already. Okay? 40% already. Okay? Yeah. So here you can see 2 plus 6, you have 8 assignments, right? Here you have 8 assignments. Yeah. All right. Then, for the quiz, each quizzes, yeah, we have 5 modules, yeah, but we need to do 6 quizzes. Yeah. Basically, for the first few modules, each module 1 quiz. Yeah. At the end of each module, we have 1 quiz. Okay? Yeah. But at a later time, because when we close to the final, yeah, so then we need to use the quiz to do the review. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Early times, so each quiz for each module. Later time, so we need to use the quiz. Yeah. Even, yeah, later I will let you know, even I will use the quizzes, combine some quizzes with assignments. Yeah. So I will explain that idea later. Okay. When we move to test part, I explain. Yeah, I may combine a few quizzes with tests, yeah, with exam. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Then quiz questions. What quiz questions? I will give you. Yeah. The multiple choice. All right. True and false. Short answers. Yeah. But no full solution. All right. Yeah. Because for all the quizzes, I use the Canvas quiz tool. Canvas quiz tool. Yeah, some of you may already use it before. Yeah. The Canvas quiz tool, it does the grading automatically. So I enter the answers. When I make the quiz questions, at the same time, I enter the answers. So the quiz tool will use my correct answers to compare with your answers. Then, after you submit it, you can see the score immediately. Okay? Yeah. But you won't see which one is false, which one is correct, which one is false. You won't see. Yeah.
Even after, can we see after like we're done with the quiz?
Yes, yes, all right. Then, at some time, I will open up the answers. Yeah. Midterm and before final, I open up, because when you do the review, I open up all the answers. Yeah. Or, yeah, sometimes I do earlier than that. Yeah. After the deadline, okay? After the deadline, I can open up the answers. Yeah. 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 So you can see which one correct, which one is wrong. But that's still not enough. In the review sessions, before each exam, I do review sessions. In the review sessions, I explain all the questions. Okay? Yeah. So, yeah. All right. So don't worry. Yeah. So we will cover all of them. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Then duration. Yeah. How long you need to complete each quiz, right? The duration. 1 week. 1 week. Okay? Yeah. Actually, usually greater or equal to 1 week. That duration, that's quite long, right? Yeah. Because the purpose of these quizzes, I want to use them to help you study the materials, right? Study the material of the whole module. You need to take some time, right? Yeah. At the end of each module, then I post the one quiz. So the questions cover the whole module. So in order to get yourself familiar with the material of the whole module, you need some time, right? So I give you 1 week time to study and complete. Okay? No limit, okay? Yeah. No limit. Yeah. So when you start a quiz, keep running. You only need to submit it by the deadline, before the deadline. Submit it. Yeah. 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 Then don't worry. So open, leave there. Okay? Yeah. So do your study, then come back, work a few questions, then study more, then answer some more questions. Just make sure you complete it before the deadline. Otherwise, after the deadline, the quiz is gone. You cannot do it anymore after the deadline. Okay? Make sure, don't miss it. Yeah.
The thing that says 25 questions each, is that for the homework?
Yeah. Right. Homework, the number of questions, each assignment, 25 questions. Yeah, for both of the homework assignments. Oh, for the quiz questions, the number of questions, 10 questions. So for quiz, each quiz, 10 questions. 10 questions. Okay, so we treat quizzes as small assignments. Then homework assignments we treat as the big assignments. Okay, 25 questions. So for the quiz questions, 10 questions, each question 4 points. Each question 4 points. Okay? 4 points each. Okay. Homework questions, each one also 4 points. Okay? So you have total 100 points. Okay? Each question also 4 points. Total 100 points. Each quiz 40 points. Okay? Total points, 40 points.
Wait, so each quiz has like a true or false, multiple choice, as well as short answer?
Yeah, fill in the blank. Short answer. So I ask you a question, so you need to calculate. Yeah, sometimes I ask you calculate. the number of comparisons to complete some particular task. Then you fill in the blank, that number, okay? 5 comparisons.
That's like the short answer?
Yeah, that's short answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the homework is the same way?
Yes. Homework PDF file, okay? Homework, the format of the homework is a PDF file. You download, then you do your work. Quiz, you do on the Canvas, okay? Yeah. So the Canvas, there is a quiz page. You get their quiz page, so you work on the Canvas quiz page directly, okay? Yeah. So the homework you need to download, okay? Some students print out, work, work on the printed PDF files. Then after the scan, when you submit, okay? Yeah. For you, when you submit, if you like to submit paper version, you just hand it to me in class, okay? Yeah. Yeah, you can turn it in class, okay? But if you want to submit online upload, yeah, you can upload PDF file. Some students, you can use pictures, use your cell phone, take pictures, upload. Yeah. Some students use Word, prepare the answers, Some students just type answers, yeah. Just let me know your answers. Yeah. Several ways. Yeah. Yeah. But I like when I do the grading, I like the PDF files. Yeah. PDF files, because when I do the grading on your PDF file, just like I do the grading on paper, on your paper version, okay? Yeah. And many times I need to give you partial credit, right? Yeah. I need to look at your work, okay? You look at your work to give you partial credit. Because some students, if you only give me one answer, look at the short answer. For the short answer question, you only need to give me one answer. That's it. Yeah. But if your answer is wrong, you cannot get partial credit, right? Yeah. So I highly recommend you put some work. Yeah. Yeah. I leave some space, okay? You can put some main formula, some main steps in your calculation. Even if your answer is wrong, but you have some related work, I can give you some partial credit. You can earn some partial credit, right? If just one number, if it's wrong, you lose all the 4 points. If you give some related work, based on the quality of your work, okay? Yeah. So you can get 3 points, 2 points, or 1 point, okay? Yeah. Partial credit. Yeah. Yeah. Try to get as many points as possible. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Before solution, if you see, for short answer question, I just put answer, okay? Answer, then after that. But if you see the solution, that word, solution word, you need to give me the whole solution details, okay? Yeah. Step by step, solve the problem. Yeah. Yeah. I need to look at your details. Yeah. Usually for relatively hard questions, I ask you to give me the solutions. For relatively easy questions, then you just give me the answers. Okay? For challenging, yeah, each assignment I give you a few challenging questions. For those challenging questions, you need to tell me how you solve those questions. Okay? Yeah. All right. But easy questions or hard questions, each one 4 points. No difference. Okay? Yeah. Easy, hard, yeah. 4 points each. Yeah. No difference. Yeah. All right. So any other questions? Yeah. All right. So let me look at how much time I have. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So then, some policies, some more policies about assignment. All right. Yeah. Yeah, because this class is very challenging. Okay. Yeah. In general, it is pretty hard. Yeah. In general, it's pretty hard. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But if you pay sufficient effort, it's not hard to pass this class. Okay? If you pay sufficient effort, it's not hard to pass this class. Okay? Yeah. So based on what a few semesters, I look at the cases previous a few times. I found one thing. Yeah. For those students who complete all assignments, then the percentage to pass this class, 99 something, almost. Yeah. Yeah. I look at, so for those students who just complete all the assignments, then it's not hard to pass this class. For those students who fail this class, usually I can find several assignments missing. Okay? So that's the rule I observed. Yeah. So that means if you try your best, okay, submit all the assignments, then the chance to pass 90, let's say 99%. If it's not 100%, 99%. That means, if you study, if you work the best you can, then it's not that hard to pass. Okay? Yeah. But it's challenging, yeah, because sometimes I want to give you some challenging problem to solve. Okay? Yeah. Not many, yeah, but a few. A small number, challenging questions to solve. Okay? Yeah. But those challenging questions you can only see in our big assignment, homework number 1, homework number 2, not in quizzes. Quizzes, no hard questions. Quizzes, basically, check your understanding. Yeah. Basic concepts, your understanding. So you won't have hard questions. Okay? All basic questions. Yeah. So the quizzes, yeah. The big assignment, usually the later part, yeah. Near the end, I give a few challenging questions. Yeah. Oh, regarding the duration, quizzes you have 1 week. What's the duration for the big homework assignment? Yeah. Longer than 1 week. Yeah. So usually the duration I give you, greater or equal to 12 days. How about that? Each assignment, you have at least, at least 12 days to complete. That's a lot, right? Yeah. Just less than 2 weeks. 12 days to complete. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. All right? Yeah. Yeah. And for the big assignment, you have 2 parts. Yeah. So here I need to use more space to explain. For the big assignment, each one, you have 2 parts. The structure, the type of questions, I split into 2 parts. Yeah. Part A, part B. Yeah. Part A, concept questions. Understanding concept questions. Okay? Yeah. All right? Yeah. Similar to your quiz questions. Yeah. Concept questions. Similar to your quiz questions. Okay. Concept. All right? Part B. Yeah, different type. Part B. Yeah. So part A. Yeah, here, let me put part A. You have 10 questions. Concepts. Part B, 15 questions. computing questions. You need to do computation, okay? You need to do computation, okay? Yeah. So you need to do some work, yeah, to find the answers. Yeah. 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 Part A, part B, okay? Yeah. Each big assignment. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Any questions? The slide. Yeah. These two assignments, two types. Yeah. So here you have total 8 assignments. Then we have more. Next slide, we have a few more. So you will see plenty of work. Yeah. But later I try to find some way to reduce your pressure. Yeah. Because you may have a lot of pressure. I try to reduce your workload, pressure, a little bit. Yeah. Later I will talk about that idea. Yeah. All right. Next, two programming projects. Each one 14%. Total 28% programming. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So for the programming assignment, you can use 3 languages. Yeah. The first one is Java. Second one is Python. Third one is C++. Yeah. 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 To solve some computation questions. Okay? To compare algorithms. Basically, so what do you need to do? You need to implement some slow algorithms and a fast algorithm. Then you compare, how big is the difference? Yeah. Yeah.
So we get to pick one of those 3 to use for the project?
Yes. One of the 3 programming languages. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. All right? Yeah.
So if you pick one for project 1, do you have to pick the same for project 2?
Sorry? Question?
Pick one, if you like, for example, if you pick Python
Mm-hmm.
for project 1, can we pick C++ for project 2?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Which one do you recommend?
Which one? I recommend Java. For both. Yeah. Why the reason? Because there is some special technical reason. Yeah. Later I will explain. Because we need to do computation on big integers, very large integers. Java has a special class called a big integer. Take care of that. Yeah. In Python, the way is different. Python has the capability for large integers, but there is a limit. Okay? In Java, the large integer, there is no limit. Yeah. Question.
So, are we using like process feedback or one of our IDEs?
Yeah. IDE, you select your favorite. Yeah, favorite IDE. When you submit, I only see Java code. Okay? I see your Java code. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. But Python, C++, all acceptable. Yeah. Yeah. But when we get there, the main difference is about how to deal with the large integers. Okay? Yeah. In large integers, we need to work on those technical things. Okay? Yeah. All right. Yeah. So, yeah. All right. And the duration, how long? I give you. Okay? The time, duration. Greater or equal to 4 weeks. Each project, I give you at least 4 weeks. Okay? Plenty of time. Yeah, plenty of time. Okay? Yeah. All right. But I encourage early submission. You can earn extra credit. Okay? Yeah. I encourage early submission for extra credit. Yeah. But even late submission, I accept a late submission. But if usually I give 2 days grace period. If you're late less than 2 days, then you won't lose any point, okay? But if more than 2 days, each day I need to take a small amount of points, okay? Penalty. I need to take penalty, yeah. But within 2 days late, then I won't give any penalty, okay? Yeah, yeah. Regarding the grace period, each homework assignment, the big assignment, I give 1 day grace period, okay? 1 day grace period. Quizzes, no grace period, okay? Quizzes must be by the deadline, okay? It cannot be later than that, yeah. But 2 homework assignments, yeah. 1 day grace period, okay? Yeah. The project, 2 days grace period, okay? The project, each one, you have 2 day grace period. Okay? Yeah. Homework assignment, 1 day grace period. Okay? Yeah. So these policies try to reduce your pressure, okay? A little bit, yeah. But you need to do as early as possible, okay? Yeah. Do not delay it. Yeah. And the project you need to work independently, okay? Not group project. Yeah. But you can discuss, you know. I do not. So you can do group discussion, that's fine, but do not copy the code. When you write the code, you need to write your own code, okay? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So because sometimes when I do the grading, when I see the 2 different projects have the same behavior, then I will compare the code, okay? So work independently, yeah, yeah. All right. Yeah, so that's the project. Oh, regarding the project, so I'm thinking about, so, you know, just a possibility, optional project for extra credit. Yeah. Sometimes some students asking for optional extra credit project. Yeah. So that's possible. That's a possibility, okay? Yeah. So here we have 2 regular projects. Yeah. Other than, yeah, so 2 regular projects. Okay. Project 1, project 2, regular, okay? Standard project. Okay. Then the optional, it's possible I give you project 1B. B is optional, okay? 1A is the standard. B is optional. Or project 2B, optional. Okay? Yeah, so if you see B version, that's the optional. Yeah. I will put there, parenthesis, optional. Okay? So you can earn extra credit. Extra credit usually 2% extra or 3% extra, okay? 2 or 3. Depends on how much work you need to do, okay? Yeah, yeah, but at least 2%, 2 or 3%, optional, okay? Yeah, yeah. So optional. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Then, tests, 2 exams, 30%, each one 15%. Yeah. Okay, each one 15%. Yeah. The midterm, I give you the date here, October 10th, Thursday. October 10th, Thursday. 1 week before the fall break, October 17th, right? 1 week right before the fall break. So you do the midterm test. Yeah. Right here, okay? Yeah. Same class time, 75 minutes, 75 minutes. So one test, total 25 questions. Yeah. Just like one homework assignment. Yeah. But all questions you have seen before. Yeah. So I modify from the homework questions. Okay? You have seen, you have practiced. So that's the reason I'll let you practice homework number 1, number 2. Okay? Yeah. But I need to modify a few places, some conditions. Yeah. Not trivial. So you still need to do a lot of work. Okay? Yeah. But I split into 2 parts. Yeah. In that 75 minutes, because that time is not much, right? 75 minutes. That's not very long. So you can work on the first 20 questions. Yeah, focus on the first 20 questions. Okay? Yeah. Because the last 5 questions, relatively challenging, I allow you to work at home. Okay? When you get home, yeah, so this part you need to complete in 75 minutes. Okay? Yeah. So then you turn in, so you leave classroom, then when you get home, yeah, then I post the last 5 questions in Canvas. So you have time to work on the last 5 questions at home. Okay? Those 5 questions usually challenging questions, relatively challenging questions.
So is that 5/25? What does that mean?
Last 5, yeah, all right. Yeah, total 25, right? Total 25 in class. Yeah, in class I'll give you all 25, okay? But I just let you know the last 5 questions you have a second chance to work at home. So in class, you use your precious class time. You just put on the first 20 questions, okay? Only after you complete the first 20 questions, then you have more time, you work on the last 5, okay? If you don't have enough time, you can work at home, okay? Question? Yes, full answer, yeah, yes. But not all, may not be all, okay? Yeah, maybe 3, 4 solutions, yeah. But, right, yeah. Question?
Those 5 questions, are they posted on Canvas, or is it like a Proctor environment using my lockdown browser?
Canvas, yeah. PDF file, I post PDF file in Canvas, okay? Just, I create another assignment, okay? I create another assignment. I set a deadline. Yeah. I set a deadline. Yeah. So here, the Saturday, October 12th, Saturday, the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. Yeah, that time, deadline. Okay? Yeah. I set that deadline. Assignment, 5 questions. Yeah. But I still, because this I treat as a hard assignment, okay? Hard assignment. I still give you a 1-day grace period, okay? The purpose, reduce your pressure, okay? Reduce your pressure, yeah. Question?
During the exam, can we use calculators?
Yes. Open book, open notes, you can use calculators, you can use your laptop, okay? I allow you to use laptop. Yeah. But for the laptop, I make some rules, okay? Laptop. You can use your laptop to access our course materials, okay? All the course material you can access from the laptop, okay? Yeah. So if you bring headsets, you can access the videos, okay? So if you do not make noise, you can even access the videos, okay? Yeah. Bring the